Mega GMs, happy Tuesday to you. Well, the Anna Mocha-backed Rec League is set to mint in just 2 days here, and it won't be long for us to find out exactly how they live up to their name. One way or another, someone's getting wrecked. Is it going to be the NFT market and its current trend, or will it be traders in their wallet? Let's take a look at the market. I want to show you what that existing trend is, a new trend that's emerging, and why Rec League may be the catalyst that drives this new trend to the mainstream. Starting with the Forkast 500 NFT index, you'll see here that we're actually up today, which is nice. Now the trend, the overall trend, and the trend that needs to be broken is the decline you see here. We're looking at last year, January 1st through December 31st. Now, if you've been in the NFT space, you know exactly how this works. January comes around and we start off with a bang. It fizzles out halfway through the year, almost entirely. And for the rest of the year, very little action, very little volume, not a lot of profit to be had anywhere. That trend may be starting to change, and I'm going to show you a few reasons why. Heading over to the Crypto Slam collection rankings, a lot of familiar faces here, right? DeGods, Bored Ape, DMarket, DraftKings, Sorare. Okay, I'm going to stop there. I want to focus on 4 collections in particular, and I've actually nicknamed them the 4. DMarket, DraftKings, Sorare, and Gods Unchained. These 4 collections combined make up 1/3 of the total NFT transactions across blockchains. Now, just how many transactions are they driving? Have a look here. Yesterday, I mentioned we hit a 18-month high for weekly transactions. Now, yesterday, we also hit an 18-month high for daily transactions. 548,000 transactions was the most we've seen since February 25th, 2022. This is even more important, though. The average sales price of NFTs has fallen to just $26. That's the lowest we've seen in 3 years. Go all the way back to September 2nd, 2020 to see a price that's lower. At that point, trading around $15. I would guess most of you, myself included, hadn't even heard of NFTs back then. That was when NBA Top Shot and Art Blocks were just starting their platform. So it's pretty wild to see our prices fall to that level. Back to the 4 collections, DMarket, DraftKings, Sorare, Gods Unchained. What do these 4 have in common? Quite a few things. They have huge supplies. They have high volume. They have low prices. This is the secret formula to reach the masses. Show somebody your monkey picture that costs $10,000 and they're going to look at you crooked. Show them the same monkey picture and tell them it costs $30 or $50, maybe $2. Maybe they'll buy that monkey picture from you, right? That formula makes sense, and that's the blueprint that Rec League is following. Their first mint coming up here on the 17th. Well, 25,000 actual mints, but each mint has 10 NFTs. That collection is going to start at 250,000. By the end of the year, I'm expecting around 1 million NFTs, and that's just season 1. Now, if Rec League can be profitable for the gamers and the NFT holders, look out. If you can fire up Rec League and play to earn from entering tournaments, from leasing out your Met for others to play, which you will also earn off of, from selling skins of your NFT to the non-blockchain version of the game, this may bring that fundamental shift to the NFT market. This may drive NFTs to the masses. Make them affordable, and you can build a very, very sustainable future for NFTs. I'll be watching for you, and I'll be sure to keep you updated on how it is impacting the market. It's going to have an impact. Touching on just a few other happenings in the NFT space here. DeGods, Utes, you've heard me talking about them already. Well, both of them, even though they're doing volume, still not the best metric for how healthy a project is. Both of them have decreasing floor prices. DeGods not long ago was 10 ETH, all the way down to 4.5 ETH for their floor. And Utes, a similar story. In the past few weeks, the floor price was around 2 ETH. Yesterday hit 0.7 ETH. Both may be reflecting that traders are losing faith in traditional NFTs. On the flip side here, you have collections like Milay Maker and Sproto Grremlins. I knew nothing about these guys, but I've learned they're similar to Milay Maker. What is it they offer? Nothing. And they say they offer nothing to start. This is the way to do NFTs. They're communities, they're fun. You like to get in and trade alpha with people and trade together. That's what these communities do. They're trading meme coins, they're trading NFTs. They don't care about the floor price of their NFT. They just enjoy hanging out with these specific communities, and that matters above the rest. So these two doing well. Milay's floor price around 4.5, so almost the exact same as DeGods. Interesting to see the two. Another major piece of news dropped yesterday. Zynga, the creator of Word with Friends and Farmville, they announced their first ever NFT game. It's called Sugartown. 10,000 edition NFT collection. It's coming out this year on Ethereum. Only thing that surprises me here, it's not that they're coming into NFTs. We assume they're coming. It's that the collection's only 10,000. So while I'm here talking about these massive edition NFT collection, they'd be perfectly suited for that, at one time boasting that 10% of the world's population plays their games. Sugartown, it's not too late. Up your supply. Bring them in. We want them. And next, WAGMI United. I don't know if you're familiar with these guys. If it felt like they were being quiet, they have been quiet. They left their Discord. That's after trying, it seems, to make the team work. To be able to show that you can run a team as NFT owners, it did not work out. There was an impressive team behind this project here. Gary Vaynerchuk, Adidas, G-Funk, G-Money, and these guys couldn't make it work. It just shows how hard it really is to make a successful NFT project. And it does show that some of the utility we thought NFTs could have may not work. All they were able to deliver ultimately was merch. Well, we get merch everywhere. I don't know that we need to spend 0.3 ETH or whatever their mint was for merch anymore. Getting a little tired of that. We'll end on Skulls of Luci. You may remember these is that 50 edition collection with these skulls that sell for anywhere from 15 ETH up to 50 ETH. But look at the floor price, 190 ETH. These sell very, very well. They're from an artist named Sam Spratt. Look at the sales here. 62 ETH, 66 ETH, 65 ETH. They have big name holders. It's kind of the who's who of the NFT collectors world. Well, Sam's announced his new game. It's called the Monument Game, with a mint coming on August 21st. It's a 256 edition collection. I believe owning that NFT gets you entry into the game, which again looks very cool. It's a wild mix between art and video games, and we've seen that in the gaming world. Look at Shadow of the Colossus or Ico, or is it Eco? But there's very artsy games. This is a very artsy looking game. I imagine that the winner of this game is going to win a 1-1 from Sam. As much as I'd love to play this, I imagine I'm priced out immediately. I'll be rooting for anyone who happens to be playing it. Unless they can invite somebody, then I'll happily take an invite. Someone, please. Reminder, the allow list for Rec League is coming to an end, I believe, today. So get to their website if you were interested in minting that collection. Get on the allow list. Hopefully you'll be able to mint in 2 days. And there you have our Tuesday updates. I'll be back tomorrow morning with more market updates, with more news. Remember, if it's happening in NFTs, I'm bringing you inside. Until the next time, we'll see you.